Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to contact Wix live chat support. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in support.wix.com. And once you do that, you'll be sent to this page, help center page of Wix. And once you do that, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the option that says need more help and then tap on show all. And once you're inside here, under need more help, you'll be finding a bunch of options. Now select the option that says contact Wix customer care for support. And once you do that, here what you need to do is tap on order. And then now what you need to do here is scroll down and then here under related content you'll be seeing an option that says request chat with customer care expert for support. Tap on that. And once you tap on that, here you'll find an option that says start a chat request. Simply tap on that. And once you do that, here you'll be sent to the chat assistant. And now all you gotta do is tap on start a live chat, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.